Okay, how to integrate SimConnect to your Go High Level. So it's easy. First, we go to connect.simconnect.com and then click the connect with Go High Level. Choose your sub account. This time my sub account is demo account, and then click proceed. And then for SimConnect API key, it's in our SimConnect dashboard. Click the developer tab, then the API key access, copy it, and then paste it here, and then click submit. And for device, I will select readme, the one that I connected in my SimConnect account. And for the SIM card also, I will choose the D2 SIM and click submit. Okay, it's done. Let's go back to our Go High Level dashboard and we will test if we can send and receive SMS. Okay, I will send SMS. Hello, I want to inquire. Click send. Okay, we receive it. So this time we will reply, sure, send. Okay, we also receive it in our phone, so everything is fine. And here's the trick: if you are from the Philippines, you can use D2 SIM to avail their 1-year plan, which is only 713 pesos. So you can send unlimited SMS to all networks within 365 days or 1 year. So that is very affordable or cheap. Okay, so to register, click the link below in the description of this video.